Okay, so this is my first shot at a training video. You guys give me some feedback, let me know what you think, see if this helps. So the purpose of this short training video is to make a email rule or filter and create a folder in your email so that when I send out specific emails that say tech notes, which are going to be things that we need information on, a link to something, how to program something, how to do some specific thing that's usually related to something that's like with the cutovers. There's been some things with the remotes, there's been some things with the DVRs, with the set-top boxes, with Minerva. There's just been a lot of things where we've tried to relay the information, and you send it out in an email, and then if you don't know the email's coming, if you don't save the email, things like that, if you can't find the email when it gets lost in the thousands of emails that you get every week, sometimes it's hard to find. So this is to help each other out. It helps me have a way that I know everyone will get the emails that I send them that are specific tech notes, and hopefully it'll help you organize your email and find the information you need easily when you need to reference it, like on a trouble ticket or an order. So if you look in your email, you'll notice that I sent you an email that looks something kind of like this one does, where it says Irvin Matz, that's who it's from, and Tech Notes is in the subject line. So what I want you to do is click on that and highlight it in your Outlook, and then I want you to right click, and then you scroll down here to where it says rules, and then you say create rule, and then you get these little options here. So it says create rule when I get email with all of the selected conditions. So you want to say from me, and you want to say subject contains tech notes, and it needs to look exactly like this: from Irvin, comma, Matt, subject contains tech space notes, all caps. And then you come down to do the following, and then it says move the item to folder, and then you want to check mark that, and then where it says select folder, then what you need to do is you need to scroll up here and highlight inbox, and then once you highlight inbox, you come over here and hit new, and then on the name of the folder, I want you to just simply, all caps, just like the subject line, put TECH space NOTES, Tech Notes, and then you hit OK. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Now you can see there's a folder that says Tech Notes, and then you click OK, and then you click OK, and then it will say run the rule Irvin Matt. It says it has been created. Run this rule on messages already in the current folder. So you click that and hit OK, and then what it'll do is it will go through your inbox, and it will find any that meet those conditions, and they'll move them over into that folder. And it might take just a few seconds. And then when you get done, when you go to your folder that says Tech Notes that you created, it will have all of the Tech Notes emails in there that you need. So, do this, and then what can happen is if I need to send something out that has like an instructional video, that has a link to a website, that has information about schedules, that has information about how to specifically program something, or a phone number you need to call for something, anything that's a tech note, that's important information that you want to save, I will send it to I will send it out to you guys. It'll be from me, and in the subject line it will always say Tech Notes. and then it will have a dash, and then it will have what that TechNotes email is about. So, once I send one out, you'll know, hey, I got a TechNotes email, and oh yeah, it's TechNotes about programming remotes or something like that. And see, if you go over here now, since we ran the rule, we will see here that if we go to TechNotes, look, see, there's my folder, and there's my TechNotes. As you can see, I do it on a lot of things, and I got like millions of emails over here. They're really pretty handy. You can use them for a lot of things. Hopefully, if you don't know how to set up an email rule, this will help you do that, and you can do it for lots of things you get emails for. But the important thing is that you make sure you do the TechNotes folder and save everything in that TechNotes folder in your email, because if I send it out to TechNotes, that will be a way I can guarantee that you have it, and that way we can't say, well, I didn't get the information, or I missed something because I wasn't in that meeting, or whatever. Whatever it is, it's pertinent information that we should all have. I'll make sure I send it to the TechNotes email. It'll be in your folder, and along those lines, if there's something that you need or you want instruction on how to do, you let me know. I'll come up with the information and I'll send it out, and I'll send it out to everyone. That way we always have consistent information. Okay, that's the end of my training video. Hope you liked the way that went. If that works for you, let me know. Maybe that'll be a way we can do some things in the future. Thanks.